G'day guys, it's Matthew here from Appliance Testing Supplies. Today we're going to do an unboxing of the 3-phase upgrade kit for the Metrel testers. So this package itself was something that we put together unique to Appliance Testing Supplies, but it is designed to work directly with the Metrel DeltaPat and the Metrel AlphaPat testers. Inside this kit you have two sets of test leads. You've got a 32 amp test lead and a 20 amp test lead. Both these leads have an exposed earth and specifically designed to do leakage current testing using the clamp meter. On that note, we do have a clamp meter. The Metrel clamp meter here plugs into your tester using both these test probes and designed to go around the flex of those leads I just showed you. Next up, we actually have a spare set of 4mm test leads. Both of these leads have interchangeable crocodile clips as well as a probe. Also in this kit, we have a 3-phase multi-adapter. So this one here is designed to do earth and insulation testing, while the others there are designed to do leakage current testing. Lastly, in the package, we have the instructions, calibration certificate for the clamp meter, and that covers everything in the kit. So guys, if you have any questions, queries, please reach out to the office. Happy to help. We'll see you next time.